Notice this bright orange cable? It's crucial for your safety. If you own an electric or hybrid vehicle, spotting this cable is important. Since the 1990s, manufacturers use orange insulation for high voltage wiring. These cables can carry 300 to 800 volts or more. In the US, any visible high voltage cable must feature an orange covering. These orange cables can carry enough electricity to cause injury or death. If damaged, they may expose live wiring, creating a lethal hazard. As a car owner or DIYer, never touch or cut an orange cable. Always follow your vehicle's manual. Only trained professionals should handle high voltage systems. After shutting down the vehicle, wait 10 to 15 minutes. This allows capacitors to fully discharge before touching anything. First responders are trained to avoid damaged orange cables. Many EVs have safety features that disconnect power during a collision. Remember, if it's orange and damaged, don't touch it. Key safety tips. Orange means high voltage, don't touch. Always use proper PPE and training. Deactivate and wait before working. Leave damaged cables alone, get professional help. EV and hybrid owners, spotting the orange cable can save your life. Know what's normal and what needs an expert. Have questions or want more tips? Comment below.